some building in LA here. Ooh. Former Otis. Creepy. I like an old creepy elevator. ERM LA special.
6 floors in this thing.
Oh, it used to have panels. Or maybe it was this one.
I feel like the indicators that went on
Oh boy. Uh-oh, look out. We might get caught by the neighborhood watch patrol. They look out for each other.
traction elevator too.
Mm-hmm.
Watch when we get to the ground. There's something. Okay, you guys do.
Oh, it's apartments. I wonder if maybe there's a freight in here too.
Probably.
Well, you never know. It's always worth a look. Okay, we
I think B is locked. Yeah, B is locked up.
It's definitely got the creepy factor to it. Is that a camera? No.
You're stopping.
Hopefully to pick someone up and not to get stuck.
Yeah.
There's some people talking.
Yeah, it is. You're taking them down.
Oh, down.
Going down.
Just kidding.
Why are you checking it?
Oh, just for a project.
Oh,
Just interested in
I'm the
elevators.
manager, that's why I'm
Oh,
asking.
okay. Yeah, I'm just interested in elevators.
All right.
Yeah, we look around all over the U.S. for weird, like, old ones.
Oh, you should see the other one we closed. It was 158 years old.
Oh, really?
Handle.
Oh, that's
Oh,
cool.
no.
Yeah, those are the ones we're looking for.
But this is upgraded. This is the
Yeah,
new
this
one.
one's got replaced.
Well, it's got like the
modern. Yeah,
still a
the
little bit of
look,
an old
but,
factor to it.
Mhm.
But
the other one?
that's in our
Excuse me,
home.
Nathan. I'll get my shot here.
Does the other one still work?
No, it's not.
Oh, okay.
We are upgrading.
Oh, okay,
Oh,
gotcha.
I see.
This is upgrade too, I believe.
Yeah, this one's been replaced.
Where are you from?